A lot of us are eating more vegetarian protein and veggie burgers for multiple reasons as sustainably and improve their health. But are some alternative proteins better for people and the planet than others? A new report from the Food Foundation, published today, reveals the truth behind the marketing claims through in-depth analysis of 68 different plant-based protein alternatives. Examining their nutritional, environmental, and price credentials and comparing them both to meat and to each other. The selected products included processed new generation plant-based meat alternatives including Beyond Meat. This branded products, Corn, Linda McCartney, Bavera and retailer-owned brand plant-based burgers, processed traditional plant-based meat alternatives tofu, tempeh, seitan. Historically eaten in areas such as Southeast Asia and less processed plant food meat alternatives beans and grains, which are a natural source of protein, including some ready-to-eat and tinned bean and grain products. The study found that all plant-based meat alternative categories come with significantly reduced greenhouse gas emissions (GHGs) and water footprints compared to meat. All plant-based meat alternative categories contain fewer calories, lower levels of saturated fat, and higher levels of fiber on average compared to meat products. There's a wide variety of plant-based meat alternatives with differing nutrition and health profiles. The number of new generation alternatives like Beyond Meat nuggets far exceeds that of more traditional options like tofu. The proportion of ultra-processed foods within each plant-based meat alternative category varies considerably, with all the new generation products qualifying as UPFs but a number of traditional, less processed plant-based alternatives available for consumers looking to reduce the amount of ultra-processed food in their diets. Less processed alternative proteins, beans, and grains, which are a natural source of protein, deliver the best bang for buck on health and environment with lower amounts of saturated fat, calories, and salt, and the highest amount of fiber of all products. They are also the most affordable category. Processed plant-based meat alternatives are only marginally lower in protein relative to meat, despite public concerns about getting enough protein from plant-based diets. Processed new generation plant-based meat alternatives contain 18% more salt than meat, the highest level of salt of all three plant-based alternative categories, and 3 times as much salt as processed traditional plant-based meat alternatives like tofu have. Consumers pay a premium for more processed plant-based alternatives like tofu, Future Farm, and this brand compared to meat despite their environmental benefits. The processed new generation alternative category is 73% more expensive per 100 grams than the meat category, while the processed traditional category is
38% more expensive. Thank you, viewing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.